Hey designers, want to create beautiful logos for free? Imagine selling logos like these. These logos are made with Ideogram AI. Sell them on Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, Adobe Stock, Dribbble, and other platforms, and earn huge money, or even using them for your own business or projects. You can use ChatGPT or Gravity right to generate creative prompts for your logo design. For ChatGPT, log in and type something like this. I want to create a name logo. For a restaurant name, I am using here Chef Restaurant. Now create 5 AI image prompt of ideogram for the restaurant. ChatGPT will give you 5 amazing prompts ideas that you can use as a starting point for your design. If you're using Gravity right, log in and head to the image prompts section. Choose logo design ideas. Then in the section, you will find product brand name. Here type your brand name, the go-to. What's your business about? Type your business idea. Like I filled it with restaurant, as my logo is for a restaurant. Then click Create Content. You'll see a variety of prompt ideas tailored to your needs. Just pick the one you like and copy it. Next, go to Ideogram and paste your prompt into the Logo Design Ideas section. Customize the text to make it more personal if you like. Choose the image style, like photo, illustration, or 3D. Set the ratio to 1:1 for a square image. Click Generate and watch your logo come to life. You'll have multiple stunning logo options to choose from in just seconds. Once you've found the logo you love, download it. However, if the resolution is a bit low for your needs, I've got you covered. For high-resolution images, download the Upscale app. You'll find the link in the description below. Open the app, select your logo, and upscale it up to 5x. This ensures your logo looks sharp and professional on any platform. And there you have it, a beautiful, high-quality logo made entirely for free. It's quick, easy, and totally customizable. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe